Okay, so we have regular size, extra large, latex-free, thin feel, intense feel. Okay. Strawberry wait a minute. Why do they need a strawberry flavor balloon? Someday, what may seem unbelievable now will likely happen. Someone will agree to have sex with you. Congratulations. Hey, didn't you forget something? Yes, that's important too, but I'm talking about condoms. It's a good idea to use condoms when you have sex. Condoms are an effective method for preventing pregnancy, as well as HIV and other STDs. Okay, I see that you need some help. Let me give you some tips on how to properly use a condom. Check the expiration date on the condom package to make sure the condom isn't expired. Open the condom package. Never use your teeth, scissors, or any other sharp object. You may rip or cut the condom. Before sex, take out the condom. It should look like a little hat. Then, hold the tip of the condom to remove any air, and then roll the condom down to the base of the erect penis. The condom should roll easily. If not, it may be inside out, and you should throw it away and get another one. Use each condom for only one sex act. After ejaculation, withdraw the penis while it is still erect. Hold on to the base of the penis to keep the condom from falling off. Remove the condom, tie a knot in the end to keep the semen inside, wrap it in a tissue, and throw it in a trash can. Condoms come in different shapes and sizes. There are also different colors and textures. It's important to find a condom that is comfortable for you and your partner. Some condoms have lubricant to make them more comfortable during sex, while others do not. Non-lubricated condoms can be used with water-based lubricants, such as commercial lubricant you can buy in the drugstore near the condoms. Never use Vaseline or other oil-based lubricants, as they will break down the condom. Condoms can be purchased at many stores, including pharmacies and grocery stores, and even in some gas stations. There is no minimum age a person needs to be to buy condoms, or maximum. So, if you're lucky enough, the first time you have sex won't be the last. Remember to always be responsible, protect your health and that of your partner, and always use a condom.
Oh, this is the last time I send Jim to buy balloons.
Until next time, don't forget to visit me at amaze.org or go to my YouTube channel to watch more. Bye!